Welcome to today's English practice video. This lesson is fun, simple, and very effective. If you watch it many times, you will see real progress in your speaking skills.
So, get ready, open your ears, and let us start training your brain to think and speak in English.
First, you will listen to a short English conversation. Just relax and try to understand the main idea.
You look happy today, Leo. What is the good news?
I started giving free English lessons to some children in my neighborhood.
That is wonderful. How did you get that idea?
I met a boy who wanted to learn English, but he could not afford classes.
So, you decided to help him.
Yes. Then, a few more children joined the lessons.
How often do you teach them?
Twice a week. We practice speaking, reading, and simple grammar.
That must take a lot of time.
It does, but I enjoy it. I want to make a difference in their lives.
I am sure you are making a difference already.
Thanks. Last week, one of the children spoke English in front of the class for the first time.
That is amazing. He must have felt very proud.
He did. Seeing his confidence grow makes me happy.
Your lessons are helping them build a better future.
I hope so. Even small efforts can make a difference.
I completely agree.
Now, let us learn some useful new words from the conversation. I will explain the meaning of each word and give you some easy examples. Repeat after me and try to remember them.
Remember, repetition is the key to success. In English, the more you repeat, the faster you improve.
Phrase number 1. Make a difference. To help improve a situation or have a positive effect on someone or something. Example number 1. Good teachers can make a difference in students' lives. Example number 2. Recycling can make a difference for the environment.
Phrase number 2. Must have. We use must have to say we are almost sure something happened in the past. Example number 1. Sarah got 100% on the test. She must have studied very hard. Example number 2. The roads are wet. It must have rained earlier.
Word number 3. Grow. To become bigger, stronger, better, or develop over time. Example number 1. Children grow very quickly. Example number 2. My English skills grow when I practice every day.
Now, it is time for the listen and repeat practice. You will hear each sentence 2 times.
The first time, we will speak very slowly. The second time, we will speak at a normal speed. After you hear the sentence, repeat it out loud during the pause. Speak clearly and with confidence. Let us practice.
You look happy today, Leo. What is the good news? You look happy today, Leo. What's the good news?
I started giving free English lessons to some children in my neighborhood. I started giving free English lessons to some children in my neighborhood.
That is wonderful. How did you get that idea? That's wonderful. How did you get that idea?
I met a boy who wanted to learn English, but he could not afford classes. I met a boy who wanted to learn English, but he couldn't afford classes.
That is amazing. He must have felt very proud. That's amazing. He must have felt very proud.
Even small efforts can make a difference. Even small efforts can make a difference. Time to practice speaking. I will ask you questions about the conversation. Listen carefully and try to answer out loud before I give the correct answer. Question 1. Was Leo sad today? No, he wasn't sad. He was happy today.
Question 2. Did Leo start giving Japanese lessons? No, he didn't. He started giving free English lessons.
Question 3. Could the boy afford classes? No, he couldn't. He couldn't afford classes.
You did amazing. Finally, let us do shadowing together. Repeat each line immediately after the speakers. Try to copy our rhythm and pronunciation. You look happy today, Leo. What's the good news?
I started giving free English lessons to some children in my neighborhood.
That's wonderful. How did you get that idea?
I met a boy who wanted to learn English, but he couldn't afford classes. Even small efforts can make a difference.
I completely agree.
Watch this video many times, every day, for 1 week. The more you repeat, the more fluent you will become.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to LinguaNova Daily English, and share it with a friend.
Bye for now. Thanks for watching, guys.
And thank you for joining us.